Howdy YouTube friends. Monday afternoon, the 31st. It's about 4 o'clock. We are, as you can see, come on over here, look. See there? We are close to Catalina. How about that? Awfully tempted just to go around to the backside and drop anchor in a little harbor we know back there where we want to try to catch some lobster. But we're not exactly on a rescue mission, but we got a couple of friends up here that were having some engine trouble, and so we agreed to come on out here to the isthmus and drop anchor in the harbor. They got them a mooring ball. I think the Coast Guard actually, their engine had conked late yesterday afternoon. They dropped anchor in about 120 feet of water, started dragging anchor towards the rocks. Coast Guard ended up coming out and grabbing them. It was when we had turned back because we couldn't come out here because of what I told you about earlier. And so they were dragged towards the rocks. Coast Guard got them and pulled them into two harbors, the isthmus, and they went ahead and rented a mooring ball. Turns out off season, you rent a mooring ball for one night, and they go ahead and give it to you for the week if you pay for one night. Good for them. Great idea. Great way to drum up some tourism for them. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Anyway, we're going to go to drop anchor tonight and give them a call or hail them on the VHF and let them know we're there. Probably won't see them tonight unless they want to get in their skiff and come over from their mooring ball, because it's gonna be getting dark when we get there, and I'm gonna be kind of beat. And I know Anne Marie, first mate over here, she's going to be probably a little tired. And so we're probably just going to have some dinner and kind of settle in and then regroup in the morning. Get some more shots later. Some shots of what's probably going to turn out to be kind of a pretty sunset. Talk to you soon. Coming into two harbors, there's the sunset that I promised everybody earlier. Get a shot of that before it goes behind Catalina Hill. Details appearing on the island as you get closer to it. See the trees and the folds in the hills and the different terrain variations. Beautiful, beautiful island. Love it out here. Two ways to get to the island. Most popular way is by boat, sailboat. Second way is by airplane. Small airplane. You can only take a little single or dual engine airplane out here. You can't take anything bigger. Maybe helicopter. I think they got a helicopter pad at the small airport. And people also take the Catalina Express out here, which is a high-speed boat. Goodbye, son. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Yeah, look at that, they're off the starboard side over here. Our dolphin friends coming out to greet us as we're pulling into the isthmus. Nice, though. Got a little breeze blowing here. It was completely calm back behind us. Generally, there's a westerly or northwesterly. There's a breeze that blows through this little valley here. That's fine. Get our anchor drop, it'll blow our wind generator. A lot of small dolphins. I don't. Maybe babies. You see them to your left? Sometimes they like to follow along by the bow, huh? Looks like they're heading over towards Ship Rock over there.